Previously on Unboxing Korean Snacks, we unboxed every single snack from the Second Nature box. On part 2, we ate the ramen and the milkies, and you're currently watching part 3.
I can't open it! We're gonna try the crab chips. I'm very, very excited. I tried again. I gave it all that I had. I am so bad at opening packages, folks. So bad. Did you see the struggle behind trying to open these? So, ooh, okay. Crab chips. Very good. The texture. You know when you get a box and it has like those little like foamy noodles? Like that. I think it's like a little more firmer than the Cheetos puffs because they're not full puffs, they're like half. Wow. They actually have some sweetness to it. They are mostly salty. But I like chew. Yep, there's some sweetness. Really, really good. I will be eating this later. Okay, that was yummy. Wow, I'm impressed. Next on the list, we are gonna try Marine Boy. Wow, okay, this packaging was a lot simpler than the other packaging. Aww. So I like to smell things sometimes before I try them. I can smell the fishy smell, the marine smell. So let's try it. What shape is this? Aww, the little blowfish. Okay. Super crispy. So like you can crunch. You taste the crunch. It's a little fishy smell, but it is called Marine Boy after all. I think it's super cute. The taste is good. It's like salty. It's its own category. I'm very happy with the taste. Kudos for the chips. Oh my gosh, Korean chips. You guys are the best. And then I'm still gonna go with the theme of trying the salty. So we're gonna try the rice crackers. Okay. Smells like nothing. Each of these so far, at least the salty snacks, they have a sweetness to it that accompanies the salty. I think the beauty of this is that you can eat it either with like a sweet topping, like a jelly, or like a salty one too, like maybe with peanut butter. Oh my god, these rice cakes! Yes, they're really good. And the texture is like foamy, but crunchy foamy. A rice cake after all. We're gonna try the other rice cracker right now. Okay, I'm so excited. That one was so good. That rice cracker I just tried was really, really good. Okay, let's see. This one has like a way smoother texture. It's also a little thicker. Oh. Mmm. Very crunchy for sure. Oh, oops. And this one's a little more salty on the saltier side. We're gonna try the thing I'm confused about, which is the tiniest treat of them all. And I can't really decipher if it's gonna be sweet or salty because there's nothing on the packaging that explains what it is. So I'm not even gonna try to open it because it's so tiny. Let's just use our little handy dandy scissors to see. Okay. It smells sweet. Not my favorite treat. I'm not really a fan. It's like gummy, but not like a gummy bear. You chew into it and then you keep on biting and it'll dissolve. But not my favorite. I don't know what it is and I couldn't really tell what flavor that was.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Stay tuned for part 4 where we try the rest of the snacks, and comment below what I should try next. See you next time!